Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I'm gonna try out these dollar store markers, and I'm just gonna use them on a normal. A lot of us are doing the adult coloring books and that kind of stuff. It could be used on any kind of paper. I have a lot to try, so I figured I will try these ones right now. These are just called Jot markers, 8-pack. They are double-sided. And as you can see, there are blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, red, brown, and black. So let's see what these are like. I did a video, I'll link it at the end or down below, of all the stuff I got from the dollar store. And was very excited. And I got a container to put these in and all the things. So double-sided, and there we go. So let's try these on some of these. Okay, so that's the thin side, that's the thick side. And let's see, let me take my glasses off because I cannot see with those what this is like on this paper. Oh, they're a little dry. Crap. I was so excited. Can you see? It's kind of like, can they be used? I think for kids, these would be great. Then they don't get all over them. They're not too juicy, but this color is definitely not juicy. So that's the thick side. Let's see the thin side. Okay, that side's a little bit better. Now this could be because they're laying flat, or not flat, being held up, you know what I mean? And maybe I don't know. I'm just saying. But this is the red. Okay, that's juicier. I can hang with that. Let's try orange. This is the thin side. Definitely juicy. And the orange is juicy. Okay, so it's just that red. Okay, that's a good one. Let's see blue. A juicy, the thicker side. Okay. It almost gives you some of them gives you almost like it's, I don't want to say crayon, but it's kind of reminds me of that a little bit. A crayon vibe. So I'm not hating it for $1, but the blue, you can see it works well. Let's see, purple. This is the thin purple. We're gonna do this. Nice. Okay. Nice and dark. Yellow. Of course, yellow will work the best, right? I think red is always can be temperamental. No. And then the yellow thin one. The yellow works good. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, that's my daughter. She went to pick up groceries for me and I forgot to turn my phone off because I've been dealing with doctors all day. Okay. Yep, and there's my husband texting her. Very much my fault. I'm so sorry. Ah, stop. Okay. And then here's green. And obviously, the more you go over it, the more, the darker it gets. But, and the small ones work good on them. Okay. All right. Let's see, black and gray. Let's outline. Okay, it's like the same as the other ones. It's not, and this is the thin part. It's not as dark or opaque as I like it. But I mean, you can see it works. Okay. There And then brown. Same kind of thing. It's not, and it's sketchy. So it's like a sketchy kind of vibe. But am I mad at it? No. I think that if you're starting out, I think this is, you know, and you don't have the money. If you have money, I suggest go buy yourself, you know, a better marker if that's what you want to do. I think for me, for mixed media, this works great. But that's just me. So that is these. And it's gonna go in my little container over there. So we'll just leave that here. And these are the permanent. Let's try those. Oh my God, there's like one gnat that I don't know where it came from, but it is bothering me. Okay, so these are the permanents, and I don't know, I guess that's just powder. I don't know. But this is a black permanent. I'll go in here. Okay. That's the black. Orange is great. Juicy. I'm going to try a little bit of water on those other ones. This one gnat is going to get it. It's going to meet its end. Yellow, juicy. Okay. Now, if these stay permanent and don't run, which I will try, these are good. So far, these are good. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have to buy another pack of these just to have them if they don't run, because, I mean, look at that. Juice, juice, juice. Juice, juice, juice. Keepers. Yep. Okay. Leave those go for a second. These are definite wins. These jot permanent markers, just to even color with. So if you know, these are like watercolor. Let me get my paintbrush and wet it. And let's go in here. Now, if I wet these, they're almost like watercolor markers, right? So when you wet them, it smooths out. Now I'm getting it very wet because I want to see. Look at this purple. Yeah, see how that smooths those out? Oh, that's good. Do this blue the same way. Yeah. Yep, that's the win. So those are watercolor. So think of those as watercolor markers, which don't go on necessarily. So, what word do I want to say? You know, they're more transparent, I guess is the word. So let's see with these markers here. And these permanent markers are not going anywhere. Look at that. Nowhere. Nowhere, nowhere, nowhere. Look, nothing. It's just, matter of fact, the ink of that is lifting, not those. So these permanent markers are everything. Love them. And then the other ones are just nice watercolor markers. So those will be fantastic to use. I will save these and the other ones for another day. The last ones I will do, I'll save like those pens for another time. These are just regular 10-piece markers. I'm going to think that they're like this. Like those. Let's see. Okay. Let's go. That's what they look like. Chunky monkeys. Let's see. Oh, they're juicy. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That is juicy. Oh, okay. I'm not mad at that. See the blue, because we had a little bit of problems with that other blue. Juicy. I wonder why those other ones with the double tips weren't juicy. I don't know, but these are great. I'll have to see if these left. Look at that. Juicy. Green. Yeah. That. Orange. Yellow. Look at that. I'm going to just put a little bit here to see if that stays permanent or not. Ooh, pretty pink. Let's see. Yep. Comes out a little bit. It's a magenta, so you can see like here. Pretty. Oh, these are a hit. I am so excited. I mean, besides, like I said, these, which, like I said, I can use those. It's not like I can't use them. They're just not as strong as the color, but that's all right. Here's black. Gorge. Oh, I got me some new markers. I'm so excited. And then here. Okay. So that was those, and those are fantastic. So I'm going to put those with these. And these are just that's what they are. They're all in the same section. So they're called washable markers, broadline classic colors. And they might have had other sets, but this is just what I had picked up. And these will all go in my container as well. So now, let's see. Take some of the water off. It doesn't really run either. Not like I thought it would. You can kind of use it as a watercolor as well, but it's not gonna, like, it's not running as much. See how you can lighten it a little bit, but oh God, I'm so happy. Well, I am so happy with these. Put my glasses on. I'm just so happy. Happy. I'm going to do one last thing here is the Sharpie marker. And like I said, then I'll do another video where I use like the gel and the other markers. So we're not here forever. This is a definite win. You know what else would be? If I could open this package. There we go. That would be a win. Still struggling, don't worry. I'll have it. I brought it. Okay. Alright, so that's just your normal Sharpie fine point. And let's see. Yep. Beautiful color. Oh, yeah. Win. I'm going to grab more of these. And as you know, Sharpie, you know, they're permanent. And it's not going anywhere. So, oh, I am so excited. This turned out to be so good. And you can see, look how nice, look how nice. Watercolory, ain't mad at it because, so if you are tight on money, even if you have other supplies, honestly, but you have like $5, you can get the Sharpie so you can draw or detail, right? And I think they might have had a red one of that. You can get these for $1. Okay. Maybe that's all you have is $1. Maybe you have $5. You're like, I put $5 aside. Look, you can get these permanent ones, which are fantastic. Okay. And remember, you can make alcohol ink out of these. If you don't know how and you want me to show you, let me know. I will do a video for you to make your own alcohol ink. And then you have these, which, you know, aren't my favorite. However, these are very usable to me. And, you know, if you don't have a lot of money and you want to start out mixed media, here you go. Here you go. It's $3 or $4 if you want this. So that's what we got so far. This is an A+ from me. In my next video, I will play with the mini gel pens and these 4 glitter pens. I'm gonna see, and this, I forgot this. I'm gonna see at a different dollar store to see, because I know that they're getting all kinds of new stuff in. And then I got my ruler I gotta open, which I'm so excited. I don't know why I just like stationery stuff. So let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you have used any of these, or if you're interested in any of these, or maybe would you like a giveaway on each one, like all 3 packs. Do you know what I mean? I'd gladly do a giveaway. So let me know down below. Very excited. I'm very excited. So as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much, and thank you for all your concerns with your emails and all. I love when you guys, when I open up and all you guys are emailing me to check on me and my family. We are good. We are getting through like everybody else, and all your, your wonderful well wishes and all. So stay safe. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.